Manifesting is an intensely personal practice. The fact is, each one of us has different ways of understanding, processing, and expression, and we all need something different to nourish our souls and keep us motivated. One individual may benefit from a certain manifestation technique, while another may find that same technique restrictive to what they are creating in their lives. For example, a Cancer would benefit strongly from following the moon cycles when it comes to manifesting. Cancers are ruled by the moon and have a natural affinity and connection to this celestial body. Cancer's potential for manifesting under the new moon is an even more potent experience for them, as they are the physical expression of La Luna herself. A Capricorn, however, with their logic, their plans, and their traditions, may not necessarily resonate with this specific mode of manifestation. A Capricorn has a list of goals to move through, and they benefit from more physical and tangible things. Charging a crystal or an item that holds value to them with their positive intentions and good vibes, and then carrying this token around serves this sign well. Having something physical to represent what they are manifesting is an experience that feels more aligned with them, and something they feel they are consciously creating and building in their life, which works for this earth sign. If you feel like your manifestations have gotten a little stale lately, a great way to reinvigorate your practice is to align your manifestation rituals with your zodiac sign. The art of manifesting empowers us to create the life we desire, while astrology unveils the cosmic influences shaping our existence. Don't be afraid to experiment with your manifestation practice to find the right fit and bring all that you want and deserve into your life. Aries manifestation. Combine visualization with physical activity. Typical manifestation rituals involving quiet, calm meditation with Zen music might not cut it for those with Aries energy. Instead, because Aries rules over the physicality and kinetic energy of our bodies and our competitive spirit, try creating a manifestation ritual that leverages all fiery power within you. For example, go for a manifestation run and visualize yourself crossing the finish line every quarter mile to signify that you are reaching a new milestone towards your desired reality. Or maybe take a kickboxing class and imagine punching through all obstacles, limiting beliefs, or energetic blocks currently standing in your way. Whatever type of movement you choose, direct your energy to support a specific outcome. Act as if you are adding sacred energy into an invisible piggy bank that you'll soon be able to touch in reality. Taurus manifestation. Plant some seeds. Taurus is an earth sign that is in tune with the earth and the beautiful, simple luxury of the plant kingdom. So when it comes to creating a manifestation habit, use your green thumb gifts to your advantage by planting literal seeds that represent everything you want to manifest. Decide on a specific plant or flower that evokes feelings of love, abundance, or whatever it is you want to feel within you. Maybe it's a rose bush if you're trying to manifest a loving partnership, or a giant green fern to symbolize all of the money you're calling in. From there, create a manifestation ritual where you visualize planting roots and seeds for your manifestation along with the actual physical plant. Think of your daily gardening time as your manifestation tending time. Intentionally reflect on what you've reached so far, the aligned actions you plan on taking, and how you will feel once you have what you desire. Gemini manifestation. Journal from your future POV. As the wordsmith and communicator zodiac sign, Gemini can use language and words to channel their intentions toward manifestation. A powerful way of doing this is scripting, where you write from the perspective of your future self, who already has what you want. Take some time to journal and write out all the details of what a day in your life looks like from your future self's POV. Where are you writing from? What does that day's schedule look like for you? How did you get past those pesky limiting beliefs and self-doubt to get where you are now? Use the present and past tense, not the future tense. So instead of writing, "I can't wait until I'm a millionaire on a tropical vacation with the love of my life," write as if you are that millionaire. Today, Jack and I explored more of Bora Bora from our private yacht. we drank the most amazing champagne as we watched the sun go down over the crystal clear water. Remember, you're recapping a day in your fabulous life. Cancer manifestation. Feng shui your home to invite in new energy. Cancer is all about home and family life, and no other sign is as natural a nurturer and home planner as you are. Everything in your house holds and stores energy, from the living room sofa you've had for 12 years to your overflowing closet to how you have arranged your furniture. Feng Shui intentionally works with this energy of the home and the objects and furniture within it to ensure that it is always fresh and moving instead of being stale and resistant to change. If you have intense Cancer energy, take some time to study basic Feng Shui principles to amplify your manifestation work. You may create regular rituals like a seasonal closet clean-out to symbolically clear out stagnant energy from all areas of your life and make room for your new manifestations to come in. Other home manifestation rituals include adding crystals to specific spaces on Feng Shui grids, regularly cleansing the energy of your home each week, create a cozy meditation corner in your room to do your journaling and visualization practices daily. Leo manifestation. Dance to embody your highest vibration. Manifestations come through when we are grateful for what we have and excited for what we know is on the way. And Leos have no problem tapping into this super high energy. Known to be the life of the party within the Zodiac, Leo taps into their manifestation powers when engaging in forms of creative self-expression, like dancing or singing, as if you needed another excuse to jam around your bedroom. Create your best high vibe playlist and let yourself feel the joy and pleasure you'll feel once you have those amazing things you're manifesting. Imagine that you're shaking loose any resistant or stagnant energy currently holding you back as you dance or sing. Once you're all danced out, carry that energy and vision with you throughout the rest of your day. Like energy attracts. So now that you've already gotten yourself all excited and buzzed, your manifestation can't help but come roaring into your life. Virgo manifestation. Perform a random act of kindness. Virgo is one of the most humble and service-oriented signs. Those with strong Virgo placements in their charts feel best when they know they're contributing and helping others. While many Virgos are drawn to manifestation lists, what Virgo doesn't love a good list? Their tendency to get stuck in perfectionism sometimes makes that ritual counterproductive. The best antidote for Virgos is to get out of their heads and back into a super high vibe that will help call in their manifestations. One way to do this is to perform a random act of kindness or an act of service for a stranger. Doing this pulls you back into the present moment and reminds you that you don't have to be perfect to give or receive joy and satisfaction. The small things done with pure intentions make the most significant difference. Libra manifestation. Create a unique vision board. Vision boards for manifestation, groundbreaking to be sure. But if there is any sign with a keen eye and aesthetic discretion, it's Libra, with its love for beauty, symmetry, and design. Whether you make a physical or digital vision board is up to you and won't affect the ability to successfully manifest. What's more important is that the images, words, and textures you use to fill up your board align with the emotions you're seeking from your manifestations. No sign is more suited to create an impactful vision board that accurately portrays the feelings of a new love, a wildly successful business, or an all-inclusive trip to Aruba. Once finished, commit to returning to your board each day. Take in the imagery and energy of what you're calling in, and allow yourself to be mentally, emotionally, and energetically transported into that world. Then all that's left is for the physical reality to catch up with you. Scorpio manifestation. Transmute old energy in a sacred fire ceremony. Even though Scorpio is a water sign, it has a fiery aspect, adding layers of depth and complexity to its already emotional, intuitive nature. Scorpio represents massive transformation, like the phoenix rising from the ashes after being burned to the ground. So your manifestation ritual should focus on harnessing your innate power and ability to shed old layers for renewal and regeneration. Start by writing a list or letter about what is no longer serving you and what you submit to the fire for release. This might include the relationships you've outgrown, patterns or limiting beliefs that keep you small, or painful memories that you no longer wish to relive. Once you've put it all out onto paper, safely burn your paper in a fireplace, fire-safe bowl, or outdoor bonfire. Trust that as you surrender these things, you're not only releasing them from your energy, but also transmuting them from pain into strength. This will surely propel you towards everything you're manifesting. Sagittarius manifestation. Explore a new hiking trail, restaurant, or city. Your most potent manifestation powers come when you tap into the vibrations of freedom, adventure, and deeper meaning for those with concentrated Sagittarius energy. Sometimes writing it out isn't enough to make you feel it. So to tap into your most expansive self, create consistent sacred rituals out of getting out of your comfort zone and allowing yourself the space to expand. Try out new hikes, explore new cuisines and restaurants, and travel when you can, even if it's just to a neighboring town. View all these things as sacred parts of your journey toward your desired reality, like you are a hero on a quest for your gold, because that's who you are. Gathering new experiences and meeting new people along the way. An equally important part of your manifestation ritual here should connect with the deeper meaning behind why you want something. Take frequent stops on that hike to the top of the mountain to reflect. Let yourself linger on questions without an answer for as long as possible. This is also a special part of your ritual. Capricorn manifestation. Create a sacred contract with the universe. If there's any sign that can create a business opportunity out of anything, it's Capricorns, and that's meant in the best way possible. With intense Capricorn energy, you see opportunities for abundance, structure, and leadership where others don't. This is an intuitive skill you can bring to your manifestation practice. To create this ritual, write or type out your ideal proposal with the universe as if it were your new business partner. Who is responsible for what? What inspired actions are you willing to commit to, and what do you expect to receive in return? What are your terms and conditions? While Capricorns get a bad rap for being emotionally distant or cold, when it comes to manifestation, your ability to see and accept things without getting too hung up gives you a huge advantage. Your ability to stay in your self-worth and trust that manifestation is the law of the universe helps you more easily detach from the outcome and receive what's destined to be yours. Aquarius manifestation. Host a group manifestation circle. Our intentions amplify when they're heard and validated by others who support us. Aquarius is the perfect sign to bring together and host a particular group of friends to manifest with. With your unique Aquarian energy, you have a talent for recognizing each individual's role and value within a group, while holding the vision for a collectively bright and inspired future. If you've never hosted a manifestation circle before, don't worry. You're not meant to follow what others have done, so trust your intentions for everyone to be supported in their highest paths. Other supportive Aquarian practices you can consider bringing into the group circle might include breathing exercises or future self-visualizations. You can even choose to incorporate any other manifestation exercises, such as creating a vision board or energizing with crystals. Pisces manifestation. Create a piece of music or art. Many might feel jealous of those with intense Pisces energy and assume they have the easiest time manifesting because they naturally connect to the spiritual, ethereal realms. That might be true, but just as quickly, Pisces can become confused and frustrated when they must come back to Earth and realize that their dreams aren't a reality yet. Pisces needs a manifestation ritual that helps them access that transcendent-like state while also staying tethered to the material world, so that they can channel their creative energy towards what they are attracting. A perfect solution to this is art. Whether you paint, sculpt, sing, or create music, if you have amplified Pisces energy, then channeling your emotions and dreams into beautiful art forms is one of the most soul-satisfying ways to manifest. Thinking and feeling as an energy translator, attempting to convey the feelings that your desires will bring you through the form of art, Doing so will help you get on that wave of vibration so that you attract it quickly to you. Manifesting with astrology is an invitation to merge the wisdom of the natural world with the power of intention. Embrace the cosmic dance and let astrology guide you as you manifest a life aligned with your deepest desires. Remember, the universe is conspiring to support your manifestations, and astrology can be your guiding star on this remarkable voyage of creation. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.